I have a showdown? Don't install it? I am the only two-seat version 2 in the world's 5th-generation aircraft, especially his golden yellow skin under the sun, which is a sign of strength and hope before he comes. Of age and wears formal combat clothes. The surface of his fuselage is coated with a yellow epoxy zinc primer. The main function is to effectively protect the metal, parts of the aircraft, and prevent corrosion. The bright yellow makes it easier for ground personnel to better observe and track the status of the aircraft. During test flights in the air, this is a typical stage of aircraft manufacturing before delivery to the troops, which belongs to the original state of the factory. At this time, the aircraft has not yet undergone final painting. After all tests are completed and officially delivered to the troops, the aircraft will be sprayed with final combat paint according to military standards and requirements, such as the common gray, blue, and stealth coating, which will cover the yellow skin. The J-20S is the world's first officially installed two-seat stealth fighter. Its appearance is far more than just adding a seat, but also means that the Chinese Air Force is exploring and practicing a new air combat mode as a new generation of medium and long-range heavy two-seat, multi-purpose stealth fighter. The core capabilities are medium and long-range air superiority, ground-to-sea precision strikes, tie perception, electronic jamming, tactical command and control, manned drone cooperative operation, and the backseat pilot acts as a command node to control the drone group and build a manned drone cooperative operation system. The traditional two-seater fighter's backseat is mostly a weapons officer, while the 20S backseat pilot's core role is the commander of the entire drone formation. He no longer needs to personally control the flight but focuses on command, control, and decision-making, such as monitoring the status of multiple drones simultaneously and directing them to perform reconnaissance, strike, and even decoy missions. With its powerful radar and data processing capabilities, the 20S can serve as a temporary, light early warning aircraft at the forefront of the battlefield